Does that unnamed HDMI video capture card on Amazon actually work? Well, I bought it and I'm here to answer that question. Let me just repaint this picture for you. It's 2020, a pandemic has happened. We're working remotely from home constantly. We're on these daily Zoom conference calls wondering, can I up my video game? But I cannot justify the fact that these video capture cards from Magewell, Elgato, Blackmagic Designs are anywhere from $100 to $300 because I'm not gonna use it daily. I'm not a daily live streamer or a gamer. I could be, but I don't really want to fork up $300 to figure out if it's something I'm going to stick with. And that's exactly why I was on Amazon scrolling and I literally just saw this unnamed HDMI video capture card and wondered, if this $28.99 video capture card actually works, then I must share it with the world. So that's literally what I'm gonna do. It supports an input max resolution of 4K and an output max resolution of 1080p. So let's see if it works. I have aligned and inputted my HDMI video capture card in the USB out to an HDMI cord, which loops all the way to my mini HDMI cord on my Lumix GH4 camera with this view. And now we're gonna see if I can open it and get video capture. All right, so I'm just gonna open Zoom and do a meeting by myself. Moment of truth. I have connected this unnamed HDMI video capture card to my camera. This is currently my FaceTime MacBook webcam quality. And now I'm gonna switch the video to the USB camera. What? Okay, you know it's this camera because this is where the lens is. Yeah. Oh my goodness. This is so cool. You can actually pick up focus peaking from the camera if you don't turn off. So let me turn off focus peaking, otherwise you're gonna get these crazy blue lines around my head. Focus peaking. Okay, cool, I turned it off. I do have my Saramonic Blink 500 wireless lav system connected to my camera. So the video that and the audio that's recording right now is currently coming from my computer. I'm just gonna switch my audio settings and make sure that it's also the same as the USB digital audio. So the video that and the audio that's recording right now is currently coming from my computer. I'm just gonna switch my audio settings and make sure that it's also the same as the USB digital audio. So I'm gonna test the mic. Testing 1, 2, 3. This audio should be coming from my camera and not my computer. Well, there you have it. I figured I'd close this video utilizing the actual Zoom recording of the video conference call I'm literally having with myself right now. And hopefully with one of you in the future, because as you can tell, this actually works. So I hope this answers the collective question of, does this cheap, unnamed HDMI video capture card actually work? And to my surprise and satisfaction, yes. Why, yes it does. I hope this has answered your question. If it does, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to get the same video capture card, I put the link to it in the description and also in the comments below. Also, just wanted to reiterate that I'm so excited to be partnering with TikTok to provide daily tech tips and tutorials about filmmaking and video making. So make sure you follow me there if you want to see more of me daily. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye. And today, I'm gonna show you how to shoot and edit that crazy fun and crazy viral Wipe It Down challenge on TikTok. And yes, folks, I just got a TikTok.